What if I told you that indulging in chocolate could actually boost your brain power, protect your heart, and even help your skin glow? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'm revealing the science-backed benefits of dark chocolate, secret hacks for making it a daily health booster, and 3 guilt-free recipes you'll want to try tonight. Stay with me till the end, because the final recipe is a game-changing dessert you can enjoy without the sugar crash. Why dark chocolate is a superfood. Dark chocolate isn't just candy, it's loaded with powerful antioxidants called flavonoids. These compounds improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and may even lower the risk of heart disease. Studies show that people who eat small amounts of quality dark chocolate have better cardiovascular health. But here's the trick, not all chocolate is created equal. The darker, the better. Look for 70% cocoa or higher. This ensures maximum benefits and less added sugar. The bitterness you taste? That's actually the good stuff. Antioxidants at work. Hacks to maximize the benefits. All right, let's unlock some hacks. Morning boost. Pair dark chocolate with black coffee or green tea. The combination enhances alertness and sharpens focus. Pre-workout fuel. A small square before exercise can increase nitric oxide, helping your muscles perform better. Pair with fruits. Strawberries, blueberries, or oranges not only taste amazing with dark chocolate, but their vitamin C helps your body absorb antioxidants more effectively. And here's a bonus hack. Avoid eating dark chocolate late at night. It contains small amounts of caffeine, which might sneakily disrupt your sleep. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but how do I enjoy dark chocolate without overdoing it? Well, don't go anywhere, because up next, I'm sharing 3 healthy recipes that turn dark chocolate into guilt-free indulgence. And the third one? It might just replace your ice cream cravings forever. Coming up, 3 healthy dark chocolate recipes. Dark chocolate berry bark. Melt 1 cup of dark chocolate, spread it thin on a tray, and sprinkle it with mixed berries and nuts. Freeze for 30 minutes, break into pieces, and enjoy. It's antioxidant heaven. Coconut chocolate energy bites. Blend oats, shredded coconut, and a drizzle of honey. Roll into balls, dip in melted dark chocolate, and chill. These bites are perfect for on-the-go snacking. The big reveal. Avocado chocolate mousse. Here's the surprise I promised. Blend ripe avocado, cocoa powder, a touch of honey, and a splash of almond milk. Chill it for an hour, and what you get is a creamy, rich mousse that tastes like pure indulgence, but is packed with fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Your sweet tooth will thank you. Final tips. Remember, the key is moderation. 1 or 2 small squares a day is all you need to unlock the benefits of dark chocolate. Go for organic brands with minimal sugar and avoid highly processed options. So next time you crave a treat, reach for dark chocolate. It's not just dessert, it's a health hack in disguise. Which recipe are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to know. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Pulse Theory 360, and share it with a friend who loves chocolate. Stay tuned, because next week we're uncovering another everyday food with supercharged health benefits. See you then.